Hello, my name is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I've been building websites for a number of years now, and I have primarily used WordPress. WordPress is great, it's flexible. That was until I came across Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands starts off by a logo maker facility, but it's far more than this. Tailor Brands has an all-in-one place to build a brand and online presence. And today that is really useful and it's really powerful. In fact, I was really impressed with what they have to offer and more impressed with the prices. I didn't realize that you could actually build a really good website for really low cost. You start Tailor Brands by designing a logo, followed by building a website, securing a domain name, as well as marketing through a business mailbox, search engine optimization, Google listings, and social media. It's a great place to start if you're new, especially if you're looking to build an online presence and you are looking to save money. And why shouldn't you be? Be clear though, even if you're looking to move to Tailor Brands to save money, then you can rebuild your website and link up your domain name accordingly. Of course, you can also use your own logo. You don't have to use the one created in Tailor Brands. Now let's explore Tailor Brands and some of its features. The starting point is to create a free logo. I'm not going to explain this here, but one of my tutorials will. Once you have created the logo, you will need to sign up. Love your logo to move into the dashboard. I'm going to start by showing you two methods to create the website. The first method is to use the automatic website builder. This is the quickest way to build a website. This is very much a click and go function. You select the items you wish to include, select a theme, and that's it. You will still need to add your text and images. Everything can be changed using the advanced editor. The other method to build your website is to use the advanced level and to select a template. I have chosen a 3-page yoga template as an example. As you can see, there are many templates available. Let's quickly look at some of the other features. Apart from any logo files you may have produced, you can purchase a domain name. The domain name is value for money here. You have the opportunity to purchase a business mailbox. This is something like support@yourdomain.com. You can create your digital business cards, and you can add your own logo to these if you are not looking to use the created one through Tailor Brands. You have access to Graphic Design Tool. Through the Graphic Design Tool, you have access to free stock images, which you may find really useful to insert into your website. When you have either purchased a domain name through Tailor Brands or looking to connect an externally purchased domain name, then you are in a position to publish your website. It's at this point you will need to purchase one of the plans. You can now see the subscription plans available. If you are looking to start with a 1 to 3 page website, then purchase the basic plan. If you are looking to have a multi-page business website without payment transactions, then select the standard subscription. If you are looking for an e-commerce website or a website requiring payment transactions, then choose the premium subscription. There is one more subscription not shown, and that is the Premium Plus. This is used if you wish to go all out on an e-commerce store. Depending on your needs, there should be a suitable subscription here for you. And the templates not showing a crown are suitable at the basic subscription plan and are using between 1 and 3 pages. The templates showing a crown either require a standard subscription or a premium. The majority of the templates require the standard subscription. Now that you have seen all the plans, you can now make an informed decision, and I am sure you will conclude that Tailor Brands offer a value for money website subscription. Remember, all subscriptions include hosting.